start
Thank
recording.
you, thank you. Okay, all right, we're recording. Holy crap!
Yeah,
All
this
right.
gun is amazing.
So yeah, this gun is just ridiculous, at least from my point of view. I have no speed coil, but I don't really care. I'm playing as my alt, and it doesn't matter because the zombies just melt away like butter. This is fantastic. They're just not even there. You just walk towards them and nope, no zombies. Bye bye. Okay, I can most definitely see why Beacon didn't put this in the game because this weapon is so overpowered. It is just ludicrous.
Oh my
I just
God.
walk towards a zombie and just keep walking. Oh my lord. These are fantastic. All right, so and then the Ban Hammer. Okay, so the Ban Hammer. Let's try the Ban Hammer.
Ban Hammer is.
Come here, here, zombie, zombie. Go. Take that. That. Oh God. Not even fair. I'm just knocking him across the map. That's fantastic. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, little bugger. Yeah, yeah, take that. And then I'll just give you some of this gun here. Dude, how can you lose with this thing? There's no way.
You
I mean,
can.
yeah, this is phenomenal. This is great. Thank you, man. This is fun to test, actually. Oh my lord. Oh. Wow. Okay. Oh, so, all right, so the initial excitement is subsiding. We're on wave 40, 46, but oh my lord! I mean, just look. Zombies?
I saw.
Zombie problem? What zombie problem?
You have one zombie problem. You need an exterminator.
Yes, call the
With the
spin.
exterminator.
Yeah, exactly. The Spin Club Death Squad. That's what it is.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. I've leveled up 3 times in like 30 seconds. It's hilarious.
Yeah. That's amazing.
Right? Oh my gosh. And the weapon looks cool too. Look at this.
Yeah.
All right. Now, by the way, to the viewers.
Now you can really annihilate Mickey.
Right. To the viewers, I do apologize that I am dressed as old Mickey. It was not my idea. It was not my intention, but it is hilarious. I love it. So let's see some. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here, come here, zombie. Here, zombie. Nope. No, come here. Nope, you're gone. Nope, no, denied. It's not even fair, man. Oh, level up again. Look at that. Ah, yes. Oh.
Did you die?
I'm shooting so fast that I accidentally friended somebody. Or almost friended somebody. Oh, I leveled up again.
How is that
The range isn't bad either for a shotgun, actually.
No, it's like a sniper.
Holy moly. Okay, so I'm
It's got half the range of Reapers, because with Reapers you can shoot across any map, but it's got like half that.
Okay, so I'm beginning to understand your rating, because when I said a scale of 1 to 10, you said 90.
I said 90.
This is just unfair. This is so overpowered. I don't think you could actually die with this gun unless you just.
You can.
Unless you accidentally, I don't know, fell asleep. This is. Oh my gosh. I truly think that I could actually just kind of walk around here like thug life. That's right. Yeah, boy. Oh my god. Come here, zombie. Come here, zombie. I'm not even going to slow down. I'm just going to walk right towards you. No avoidance necessary. Just nope. Over. Hey. There we go. Phantom Brute. And done. And level up. Oh my god. This is phenomenal. All right. So let's play with our Ban Hammer for a minute. All right. We got a zombie in the ground.
Ban Hammer is amazing.
All right. Zombie in the ground. Wow. Okay. That's interesting. Well, they don't stay around long enough to actually see what happens to them. You hit them once, and they just kind of follow Pete.
I know they did, and like ones with like a lot more health, you can just send flying across the map.
I know, but I mean, I keep hitting them, and they
I
crumble.
can just run up to you, and I can just fling you.
Ah! All right. Let me try that.
It
Hold on.
flings players too.
All right, hold on. All right, come here. Let me see here. Ready? And oh, wait. Boom!
Whee!
Oh, that's great. All right, I'm gonna go Ban Hammer some of these little buggers over here.
Bye.
Let's go Ban Hammer. Yes. Okay.
Steal all of his kills.
that's not right. Oh my gosh. Just really? Okay. Well, they're taking a little bit longer than I'd expected, but. All right, but yeah, no, they. Oh, look at him! Oh, the poor little skeleton went flying. That's fantastic. I do love this gun. Oh my god, I love this gun. Oh my gosh, spin club with this gun. Oh.
It's insane, and with the Ban Hammer, if you're low health.
Yeah.
Like let me find a zombie. Let's say this one right here. Look. Let me get back there.
I think it hit you, dude. I'm sorry.
Okay. Look with the zombies. If you're let me get this one right here. Someone doesn't kill it.
Okay.
If you're low health, like this, and you have the Ban Hammer, you can just hit them, and you'll start to heal.
No way, really? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, like just get a little bit of low health and just start hitting the.
Okay. It's so funny to watch him just crumble. It's like there's nothing to it. You're just like, nope. Just I'm gonna crush you. I will crush you. Yes. Crush. But I still think there's nothing compared to this gun, though. Wow. And I leveled up again.
Nice.
Oh, God, it is just... This is obscene. That's what it is. It's obscenely powerful. Fantastic. I just cleared out the entire center room and leveled up in about 10 seconds. Just wrong. And, oh, nope. And leveled up again. Okay, I can definitely see how it's easy to level up with this one.
Yeah, the levels are insane with this gun.
It really is. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm astounded. I really am. Hey, level 169, dude. Screenshot time. Screenshot time. Yes. And this is my noob alt. So, yes. Oh, 170. What was that, like 10 seconds? Oh, okay. I'm gonna run upstairs, and I think we'll end this video. And then I'm just gonna fool around and have some fun with this gun because it is just ludicrous. It really is. And thank you, Matt. It was awesome.
Yeah.